Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by choosing one focused niche and 3-5 affiliate programs that match buyer intent. This narrows research and boosts conversions. Once chosen, secure fast hosting, enable SSL, and install a responsive theme plus an SEO plugin to control metadata. You then draft 10 cornerstone pages that target commercial keywords, product guides, detailed reviews, and category hubs. Make sure to outline intent for each page. Doing this first gives you structure and immediate pages to optimize and promote. You map keyword clusters. Assign one primary term and 4 supporting keywords to every page so content ranks for related queries. Then write conversion-focused copy. Use titles, H1s, persuasive meta descriptions, schema for product/review, and obvious CTAs. Once done, build internal links from hubs to reviews to pass authority and guide clicks. Simultaneously check technical items. Ensure crawlability, submit XML sitemaps, set canonicals, and optimize mobile speed. These steps prevent wasted effort and let you scale by publishing weekly content within topical clusters and running backlink outreach 1 to 2 times per week to grow authority. Then set up tracking, UTM tags, conversion events, and monitor CTR, conversion rate, and RPM to know what moves revenue. When results dip, troubleshoot fast. Check crawl errors, resolve duplicate or thin content, and audit recent technical changes or plugin conflicts. If rankings fall, revert recent edits, run a site crawl, and prioritize fixes that restore indexability and user experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.